Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. So the mango season is here and I'm going to share this lovely and refreshing mango drink. We are going to make this delicious mango custard sharbat. Now it's a very nice filling drink and it's absolutely incredibly tasty. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. So first I'm going to make the strawberry jelly. To the jelly crystals, I've added 3 teacups of hot water. Mix everything till it's completely dissolved. Pour it into a small tin and let it set for about an hour. Now I'm going to make the mango puree. I've taken 2 medium-sized Alphonso mangoes for this recipe. Cut the mangoes, scoop out the pulp. Just chop it into pieces. Now I'm using Alphonso mangoes, but you can use any ripe mangoes that's available for you. Transfer the chopped mango pieces to the mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine puree. Transfer the ground mango puree to a bowl and keep it aside. For the mango sharbat, I've taken 1 liter of full fat milk. Add the milk to the pot, bring it to a boil. Heat the milk on medium flame. So once the milk is heated, add about half cup of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste and according to the ingredients that you're using. So I'm going to make the custard mixture. I've taken 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder. Add about 1/4 cup of milk and dissolve the custard powder completely. Cook the custard in the milk for at least about 10 minutes on low flame. Keep stirring at intervals. Once the custard is cooked, add the mango puree into the custard milk mixture. After adding the mango puree, mix everything together nicely. Using a whisk to mix it will be easier as it will all blend well. Cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. Turn off the stove, remove the mango custard mixture and keep it aside. Bring the custard mixture to room temperature and chill it for at least an hour. Soak a few Sabja seeds. I've taken 1 teaspoon of Sabja seeds. Just add a little water and soak them. After an hour, you can see the jelly has set beautifully. I'm just going to cut it into pieces. Next, I'm going to cook some save for the sharbat. To the pot, add some water. Once the water is heated up, add half cup of vermicelli. Once the vermicelli is cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Now that we have all the elements ready for the sharbat, now I'm going to assemble the drink. To a nice tall glass, add the cooked save or the vermicelli. Next, add a tablespoon of the Sabja seeds. Add the strawberry jelly pieces. Now pour the chilled mango custard mixture. Finally, garnish it with some chopped nuts. I'm using pistachios and almonds and some finely chopped mango pieces. Here is this absolutely divine and incredibly delicious mango custard sharbat. Make sure you serve it nice and chilled. It's an absolute delight. So here is this absolutely delicious and refreshing mango sharbat that you can enjoy during the summers as well as during your mango season. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.